Make sure we know where it's at.
Where it is next time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's got another hole on it.
Really?
Yeah, down there.
Really?
Uh-huh.
No kidding. What for?
It's the tank actually has a partition, a baffle in the
Oh,
middle of it. It's designed to keep the solids on one side and let the liquid go on the other side.
so I think the solid is where you are. If I remember correctly. Nessa, you know what he's doing? You don't know. All right. Nessa. Yeah, so now we'll know for sure where the hole is. Or holes or whatever. Go back, Nessa. So he was getting full, huh?
Yep.
Pretty full.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Ooh, smell.
Yucky.
Ooh, dizzy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dig up the other end
To see?
before I start.
All right.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pump both ends anyway.
Yes, sir.
Pump both of them.
Very good. Yeah, do a good job, please. Thank you.